Hey guys, it's the girl Nella. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do the low slick bun. Keep watching and we'll jump straight into the video. Okay, so all we gotta do is take our hair down. You know, don't mind the craziness. I look crazy or whatever, but it's all good. Anyways, so I don't know where my brush is. Anyways, I'm gonna use this for now. Brush my hair straight back. So when I do my low slick, my low bun, I always put a side part. So it depends on what side you want it. You could do it a middle part, a side part. So it don't matter what part you do it, but I'm gonna do the side part. I'm gonna do it like right here. So all you do is part it. Where's my comb? Guys, I'm losing everything today. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I'm gonna use this comb. Don't mind the missing teeth. My kids be breaking my stuff. So I'm gonna part it right here. Do I want it right there? Yeah. Like so. Like I said, no, I didn't say, but I'm not the best parter, so look at this part. This is crazy. Crazy, guys. I tell you, crazy. This is crazy. My part is looking crazy. Anyways, yep. Like that. And get this brush again. Brush this down like that. Brush it down like so. Yep. Keep brushing. So this look is really cute. You can wear it like anywhere actually. Anywhere that you got. You can wear it on a job interview. You can wear it to a wedding. You could just wear it if you want to go to the mall or wherever you want to go. It's a look you could wear anywhere. It's very classy. That's what I'm going to say. It's classy. You know, so wearing it at an interview and stuff, you know, they're going to look at you like, ooh, that girl got class. And you're like, yes, sir. Feel me? Anyways, so I'm brushing it like that. Don't mind my little flyaways, but we'll fix that. So I just brushed it in. You know, this is a very easy look. A very easy look. I'm gonna just get some gel. Put some gel all over this bad boy. La 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 la. Don't forget to get on the side too. But don't worry, we'll clean it up so you're gonna see how good it's gonna look. Don't you worry at all. I always get in the back of my in the back because you don't want the back to look crazy, right? So yep. Brush it some more. Brush, brush, brush. I'm gonna brush, keep brushing it. And you can always bring down your this part however low you want to bring it down. So for me, I really and truly don't know where my brush disappeared. Anyways, I guess I'm gonna use. Okay guys, I found my brush. So let's brush it up. Yes. Look how slick that's already looking. See that? Look how slick. Yes. I could even grab that like right there. So yes. I'm gonna keep brushing. This is such cute. I'm gonna get my scrunchie. Put it in. So my scrunchie, I wrap it around 3 times. And then I pull it tight. Then let's brush some more. Cause don't forget is the slick look we're going for. So cute. I'm gonna add some more gel. All over. And put it all over. I'm gonna even get some for the back. Just add a little bit. So guys, I forgot to tell you, I did, before I put gel and stuff in my hair, I did leave some of my leave-in conditioner, which is this one. This is great. I love it. I use it all the time. Put some gel in this. Brush it up, because I like my bun to look curly, you know, because it's cute. Anyways, so let's start with my bun now. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. So let me grab a scrunchie. So all I do is take this like so, and I wrap it, like twist it. It's like a messy, cute bun, you know? And put this in like so. I wrap it around 1 time because it's tight. It won't fall out if I shake, see? So there we go. Turn back around. Yes, sir. Just like that. And then what I do, I grab this comb thing, this toothbrush looking thing, and I make like a wave, you know what I mean? Yes, just like so. And then on this side, wait, you know, yep. See that little wave? Yes. Yes, girl, yes. I put some gel on the brush part because it makes it stay. I mean, to pull all of this out, but since we did, it's your choice. If you want it, you don't always have to take it out. This side, I'm gonna just brush it down like so. Just like so. Uh-huh. Put it in the ears now, just like that. Yes. Alright, so what we want to do with this one? Should I brush it back or should I just curl it? But it would give it a more. Matter of fact, I'll leave it in. I'm gonna leave it in. Just like so. Brush it back like that. There you go. Look how cute this is, guys. See? Look how cute. Yes. So, what do you guys think? Give me 1 second. Anyways, so I'm gonna put now you already. Oh, with this look, like if I'm doing like a job interview or whatever, I will wear like some studs, or even like a wedding, like a nice little small little, you know, stud. But since I'm running errands or whatever, going to the mall or whatever, I'm gonna wear my hoops, and then I'm gonna hook it up with these glasses. So this is the finishing look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what y'all think about this look. And they cute, and they cute. So let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what other video y'all want me to do next, let me know and I'll do it. Okay, guys. Peace.